Hey, what's up, XRP holder? Do this before start the July month, my friend. Absolutely very important for all of you. And the July, this coin is completely moving upward now, and this coin will give you a very good profit. So do this, my brother. Otherwise, you lost also now. So let's get started this brand video. But kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more this type informative videos. My brother, this time the channel link profit is completely increasing, especially last 7 days, last 24 hours, and just in only last 1 hour they're going to be positive or negative now, because my friend, after a jump they fell down. So therefore don't see this short fail. And if you could see here, the last 24-hour chain occur 9.34% the price is increased now. So it's a really great news for XRP holder, my brother. Do this and before, my friend, start of this month. So my friend, I want to you buy it now. Absolutely, if you have any plan to buy more, so exactly this is very good time for you, my brothers, to buy more now. And remember, it's not a financial video. I just advise you, please research personally before you take any my friend decision now. So the good time is coming soon. In July, this coin will take a very huge jump now, but you need to buy it more and hold it, my friend, before this big huge jump now. So don't miss this big opportunity, my friend. I hope they will increasing and they will give you a very good profit. Buy it, hold it, and the price will be increasing in upcoming time. So let's see, my brother. Especially if you are a short term investor, then just, my friend, 1 or 2 days wait and then sell. But if you are a long time investor, then don't, my friend, see this, my friends, short fails, short jump. Just and only you need to hold it now. So XRP holder, please like video and subscribe this channel. I hope, my friends, you enjoy this video. Please, for more videos, please like and subscribe channel.